Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, we saw a big drop on dollar DXY and we saw a big up move on the chart of Euro USD. As you can see here, dollar plunges as Fed says disinflation now in play. So Fed raised rates by 25 basis points and this marked a big drop on the chart of DXY. So yesterday's FOMC was very important and the next big event is NFP. So this is the chart of DXY. In fact, I have been discussing about the chart of DXY and I clearly told you guys that if market breaks 101.25, then things will be very critical. And we could see that right now DXY is standing at 100.90. Okay, so there is no immediate support on the chart of DXY right now. We can clearly see on the chart. So maybe DXY will be going down further. And in the coming days, if DXY tries to recover also, then DXY will face resistance around 101.50 because the previous resistance will now act previous support will now act as resistance for DXY. So things are not very positive for DXY or US dollar. So maybe we will see further downside on the chart of DXY. Okay. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. To be honest, there are not many things to discuss about the chart right now because this is a clean uptrend market. And yesterday the Euro USD, the Euro USD made a high of 1.1032. This was the high made by the market, and right now the pair is standing at the highest point right now. So if you're already holding a buy position, then you can be on the trade, no need to exit. If you're a swing trader, positional trader, day trader, doesn't matter. In this market, the only trading strategy that you should follow is buy at dip. Buy at dip. Because see, it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter how far the market will go, but keep in mind, no market in the world goes up in a straight line or goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern. So if a market is an uptrend, then obviously market will come down for some retracement, and that is the best position to take a buy. Okay, so in on the chart of Euro USD, okay, if you're planning to take a buy position here, then this is very risky because eventually after some time you will see Euro USD coming down also, because Euro USD cannot go up from here like that. Okay, eventually it will have to come down. Okay, and that will be the best position to take a buy, because see, after if you take a buy position here, or if you already have taken a buy position here, you can clearly see that you do not have a proper stop loss. Okay, so you'll have to place a compromise stop loss, and when the market will be coming down, your SL will be compromised. So as a result, if you do not want to compromise with the stop loss, then obviously you should go for buy at support only whenever you see a market in uptrend. So let the market come down, let the market cool off a little. So when market is coming down for some retracement, observe the Euro USD around 1.0970. This is our first support or first retracement level. Okay, I'll say retracement level, and we have used Fibonacci. Okay, we have used Fibonacci to derive this level. So if market comes down, observe the market. If market takes support and bounces, you can go for a buy position. Mostly day traders. Swing traders, you need a deeper pullback for more safety. So on the other hand, if Euro USD breaks this level, okay, if Euro USD breaks this level and comes down to 1.0928, this will be our second support. In comparison to this support, or this level, okay, this level is far better. First of all, this is a Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. Fibonacci 23.6 is the weakest. Fibonacci 38.2 is better in comparison to the 23.6. Plus, we also have previous resistance around this area. So previous resistance, okay, previous resistance will act as support. Plus we also have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement around this area, 1.0928, 1.0930. So this is a far better level. So if market comes down for retracement, try to take a buy position. Personally, I will not recommend any buy position in this level right now because the risk to reward ratio will not match. So for me, okay, buy at retracement is the best trading strategy on the chart of euro dollar right now. First level is 1.096967. If market comes down and bounces, well and good, but this is not a very strong support. In case market breaks it, okay, I'll look for a buy position around 1.0928 level. My dear friends, in this type of scenario, do not try to look for sell position because this is an uptrend market. Taking a sell position is like standing against wave. Okay, so don't make the mistake. Okay, try to follow the few basic rules of the market. Okay, because trend is your friend, never forget. Okay, during the day, in case you see a breakout, okay, if you see a breakout, then you may go for some buy position plus because DXY is very weak. Okay, so you may go for some buy position, but be careful. Try to take a 50% reduced lot size. Let's say if you take a lot size of 0.5, then try to take a lot size of 0.2 or 0.1, because see, the thing is, market may go for a breakout, temporary breakout, but eventually market will have to come down. What is the structure of the market? The structure of the market is like this. Okay, so obviously it is better and safer to take a buy position here in this type of levels, isn't it? So my dear friends, this is it. Hopefully you got my point. Please follow proper risk management, and if you're looking for signals, then you can use chart prime. Okay, please watch the next part of the video. A big shout out to Chart Prime who has sponsored the today's video, and Chart Prime is also one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. Chart Prime has been designed for serious traders only, because along with buy and sell signals, you can also use the available tools on Chart Prime for additional confirmation. This is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD, and you can see there are various signals generated by this tool. Possible reversal up means you can go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means it's time to go for a sell position. My dear friends, no indicator, no trader is 100% accurate in the world, but Chart Prime is really doing a very good job. So if you follow proper risk management, then yes, sky is the limit for you. Personally, I have been using Chart Prime for a few months, and their result is very good. And along with all the tools of Chart Prime, they also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And the best part about Chart Prime is that their rates are very reasonable. In fact, less than half in comparison to the other service providers in this trading community. So my dear friends, initially you can simply go for a 1 month subscription and try out the product yourself, backtest, use it, okay, and just see. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. I'll add the link in the description so that you can get additional 30% discount. Okay, you can also scan the code on the screen for faster registration. Make sure to check them out.